Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to edit your PDF file in Illustrator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right here, go to File, and make sure you click on Open, or you press Ctrl plus O. This allow you to select your PDF file. So go ahead and select the PDF file where you have it in the folder. So I have the PDF file in desktop right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New Design Print. Go ahead and hit on Open. Then here, this document contains objects using CMYK and RGB color mode. Illustrator allow only one color mode per document. Which color mode would you like to use? So if it is a print design, make sure you choose CMYK. If it is web graphic, go ahead and click on RGB. But this is a print design. I'm going to go ahead and leave it with CMYK. Now hit on OK right here. And just like so, we have the PDF file documents open right here in Illustrator. Now let's see how we can edit this. So one of the things we can do here, we can select the object one after the other in different shapes right here. So I can decide to change shape color. I can decide to edit the text. So right here, if I select on this particular shape, I will double click on here, and then I can decide to change this color to red, just like what you see right here. The color has been drastically changed. I can decide to choose this blue color and hit on OK. Then I can also change the fonts and the font size, font color, as the case may be. So I'm going to select this particular one right here. So this is so I'll go to property. So under the property here, we have different fonts right here. So go ahead and click on here. I can change to another font, as the case may be. So once I change to another font, I can go ahead and increase the font size until I'm satisfied. That's good. The next thing I can do, I can select this particular shape and change the color. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on here. And this is going to come up right here. So I can decide to choose another color from these options right here. So once I'm satisfied with the color, then I'll go ahead and hit on OK. Then we have it right here. We can go on our own and change different things. So this one text right here, I'm going to go ahead and click on fill color right here. So this will allow me to change to another color of my choice. I'm going to select this particular text right here. Now I want to change position and the color. So double click on here, and this will allow me to see the color wheel. I can decide to change this to something like this and hit on OK. It's that simple. I can change the middle shape right here, color. Go ahead and double click on here, and I can easily pick color from these options right here. So I'm going to close this tab. I'm going to use my eye color dropper. So I'm going to use this particular color, and to automatically fit in. Just like so. It's that simple. So you can go on and do every sort of things with your PDF file in Illustrator. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.